What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. This one, not so much an exploring video, but a bit touristy stuff. This, the Great Orme Railway, I actually rode when I was a kid, so 20 something years ago. It takes you up to a halfway section, you've got to switch over to a different tram, and then you've got to ride to the top section up on the summit, and you can ride it back down, switch halfway. There's also a cable car as well, which runs somewhere parallel. This is Llandudno. It's £9.80 for a return for an adult, which isn't too bad of a price really to go up and down. It's the experience of doing it. You know, that San Francisco vibe is exactly what you're getting here in North Wales. It's a good bit of fun. This video's going to be a bit different. I'm probably just going to slam some music over it, because you know it's like sitting in carriageways, etc. People are going to be chatting, they want to, you know, do their things. So throw some music over it and we'll get into it.